America. And, you know, you'll never see an interracial couple in a Walmart commercial. You'll just never see it, even though it's everywhere. So when I wrote it, I intended to cast a man of color and never address it. Have it just be a relationship issue of two people going through what couples go through, and have it be interracial but never address it.
I think we should bring in our actors now.
Yeah.
Bring in our actors. Hey. Come on down.
This is Charles. This is Charles Bryce.
Charles Bryce, and you know who he is. And Lovari's cast. Where's thy wig?
You know, we have some shy people. This isn't the whole cast. There's some still there, but this is. It doesn't matter. You were in the movie. This is Dennis. Maya. The fabulous Maya.
Lenise, and my character was Jerry. My character was Kara, actually. That's my name. Yeah.
That's it.
I'm Jonathan, and my character was Jonathan. Boom.
And I'm Louis. I played Julian. And I'm Louis. I played Julian. Just kidding. So anyway, we only have a few minutes, but we want to hear your voices. You guys are such great actors. Well, since this is a film festival, we want to talk your experiences with these beautiful directors. So I know you had a very challenging role, but it's very effective, and thank you very much for coming, gracing our occasion. So please, actors, just talk about your experience working with these filmmakers and make them feel good.
Well, my experience with Saving Julian was more like, wasn't a cast, I felt more like we were a family. And we had a lot of McDonald's visits, which was absolutely amazing, but my body still looks snatched, thank you, Sakia. But it was a wonderful, Sakia is a wonderful director, Lavari being there, it just made everything feel so natural, even though it was freezing. Let me tell you, it was freezing.
That's an understatement. Seriously, we all like.
We were shivering, I was shivering. We had lattes spilling all over our fingers because it was so cold. But it was just an amazing experience because, you know, it saddens me that people are homeless because even though we complain about a lot of materialistic things, some of us have homes to go to. And even though we don't have Jimmy Choo's finest new shoe, it doesn't matter about that. We can go to Payless and wear Payless, you know, because we can afford to do something different. But young, homeless, gay youth is really, really important. And if we can support them, I think it's really, really important.